So as you can see, her face skin tone doesn't match her body. And yeah, it's pretty distracting. Let me show you how to fix that. First, create a gradient map adjustment layer. Click on the gradient thumbnail, and for now just hide the layer. Go into the properties panel and open the gradient editor. Start with the first color stop. This controls the shadows. Click on it, then pick the darkest skin tone from her body. Now move to the middle point. Make sure the location is set to 50%. Click on the color and sample the mid-tone from her body. Finally, select the last stop and pick the lightest skin tone. Now bring the gradient map layer back and change the blending mode to color. Next, invert the mask using Ctrl and I. Select the background layer, grab the object selection tool, and under select people, choose the facial skin, nose and upper body. Then hit apply. Go to select, save selection, name it skin and hit OK. Now select the gradient map mask with that active selection. Pick the brush tool, set your foreground color to white, keep the flow around 50% and start painting over the face. Also cover the neck area where the tone looks off. Next, create a hue saturation adjustment layer and slightly reduce the saturation. Now invert the mask again using Ctrl and I. Go back to select, load selection, choose the skin selection we saved, then invert it using Ctrl, Shift and I. Grab the brush tool again, lower the flow to around 50 to 20% and start cleaning up unwanted areas like eyebrows, eyes and teeth. I will also clean the jewelry on her neck, but that's optional. Now switch back to the gradient map mask and softly paint along the edges to blend everything smoothly. You can also fix smaller areas like the forehead, under the hair or uneven tone in the body. The eyebrows still feel a bit too strong, so I'll reduce the saturation slightly more and paint over them with a higher flow. And that's it, the skin tone is now consistent and looks way more natural. I hope you picked up something useful from this. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.